subscribing my videos. Before I start my video, I just want to say that it's COVID-19. Everyone is in panic mode. Every country is getting hammered. From my point of view, just be at home, take care of your family, and take care of yourself. Please don't go outside and just enjoy few months with your family, cause social distancing is must. So it's April 2020. If you're watching this video on 2040, 2050, everyone in 2020, whole country was fighting a war against a virus called COVID-19, and yeah, everyone was getting some hammer. So I just want to say that keep fighting, keep yourself at home, just be safe and secure, be with your family in general. Or you can say a recipe book, a menu guide, or day-to-day idea of a cook or a chef. If you are at home, right? I know you must be at home, so you must getting too many ideas, right? See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm still writing my own ideas from more than a years. I got this book that is in my kit, in my bag. So I always carry this small diary. So basically, it's just a good diary, right? It's a very good diary, and it's like my pocket kit diary, right? And which is more than good, but this is my pocket diary, and this one it's a very old diary, right? Very old diary. It's got my recipes, my ideas, some creativity, most of all some recipes, whatever in my brain, right? I always try to write these techniques. When I was in my first job, right? So since from my first job I was writing these recipes, ideas, and ingredients for every recipe I came to know. Right, still it's in working condition. You can see that, right? So it's a recipe book for me, and this one is basically my ideas, recipes, menus, trial menus, and plating ideas, or some kind of like some kind of a brain, a data maintain, right? I do love to maintain my data on my laptop or on my hard disk, but it's a paperwork, so it's like getting my knowledge every day when I'm working or at home or watching something else. So it's basically day-to-day ideas carrying, recipes, ingredients costing, food costing, menu costing. We can say that it's like ingredient list or recipes, future planning, and what kind of production you can do, like what kind of methods we use in kitchen, right? Like cook, steam, blanching, any other ideas, little bit about menu and ideas. Basically, what I do, I write my ideas in pages, right? So you can see that food costing, right? The food costing, as you see, SF, orations, food safety, right? Standard recipe card. You can see that, right? Trial menu, right? Trial menu 2, trial menu, right? Puree ideas, avocado 3 ways, 4 ways, some kind of berries, vegetables names, wild berries, nuts, ingredients, right? So world ingredients, you can say that. Recipes, ideas, news, everything, like whatever you can imagine, right? I always write. As you can see that I was trying to create some recipe ideas. So mountain, river, ice, apricot, apple, green, honey, boat, rice, lamb, saffron, cherry. So I was mixing up like Kashmir. My ancestry is from Kashmir, so yeah, Kashmir. We have some kind of tea. It's called shee chai or kahwa. So basically, I do have an idea about food truck, salads, edible ideas. What we can do, like edible sand, edible forest, edible wood, edible balloon, edible mountain, edible snow, edible eggshell, sauces ideas, salads ideas. Just basically, my idea was totally making myself to more writable person, right? As this book is, I started my career. It's 2009, right? I started with this one, so it's a recipe book, you can say that. It's my first book which I started my writing, my recipes, because I was working in small outlets, small restaurants. So what they did, they were trying to teach me about the menu. So what I did, I learned from these from the chefs, that what they taught me, that you need to write your ideas. So why, do you know why I'm carrying this book, why I'm putting this journal on YouTube? So I know future cooks or home cooks who love to cook, right? Write your ideas, carry a book, carry a journal with you, or use a journal to write, to save your recipes. Because I know people do in pages, right? 2 in 2 pages. Get a good diary, journal, or copy, right? Small copy, big one, a big diary like this one, or small diary like this one, or this one, right? Small one, right? And try to maintain your recipes, your journals, and your ingredients, and your measuring ingredients, to pass it on to the next generation. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give this my journal, my equipments, to my kid when she's going to be if she wants to become a chef. Depends to her, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pass this whole ideas to some person who is more interesting to become a future chef. So this will be my my idea book. I'm not going to print this book to the world, for the world, but it's basically for myself, right? I bought this from Thailand, Bangkok. It cost me around $2 on 2010 from Thailand. Yeah, it's been more than 10 years I'm carrying this book with me. So it's from Thailand, Bangkok, and yeah, it's a idea book, right? It's my idea book. It's not my recipe book, not my journal. It's ideas. It's plating ideas, and not recipes, but yeah, it's ideas. What I do, I write my own ideas in small pages, right? I have got pencil, so it's my carrying pencil. I know it's small, but that's enough for me to carry on my bag, on my kit bag, right? I do have a kit bag also with me. So this one I always carry with me when I'm going to work. These 3 remain at home, or if I'm going out for outside, I carry this and this. This is my carrying book for tools. So for the home cooks, right? I just want to showcase you that if you're a home cook, right, buy a good diary or a book or a journal. Write your ideas, save your recipes, save your theories about kitchen or cooking, and so upcoming generation can use that book. I know there are lots of grandmas who wants to share their recipes with their kids. So from my idea, I was get a journal, get a diary, write your recipes, and share it with your kid. It's a good idea to share, to focus on one thing, right? So it's all about a journal, a diary to preserve your recipes and to preserve your knowledge. Or you can share this diary with your children or someone who you love to share your ideas. I have a daughter, and I'm going to share with her. So she will be the next. Maybe I have no idea. Maybe if she wants to be a chef, my whole idea, my recipe book, my equipments will be for her. Thank you for watching Chef and Knife. And guys, please be at home. I'm talking to everyone, whoever is watching my video, right? Be at home. This is COVID-19 and whole world is hammered. So I know the whole world is going to fight for it. And yes, we will be back. We will be back with a good power support. So till the moment, be at home, listen to your government, and be safe, guys. And thank you for watching Chef and Knife. Hope you have a lovely day, and be at home and watch some movies and watch my channel. I don't care. Or one thing, cook for your family, and do one thing, write your recipes on your journal. From now on, try to make your own journal, yes, just like me. And yeah, thank you for watching Chef and Knife, and thank you guys. Hope you have a lovely day.